possible dead bird.
We don't know if this is a bird yet, but I'm going to find out.
I'm really thinking it is.
I
Don't
don't
fucking
wanna
go
touch
brush
it.
it towards me.
Fake or real?
No, it's fucking real. Where's the head?
You can see his mouth! What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Ew, you can see all this shit up in there. That's a real.
It's real.
There's a real dead bird in your house.
Oh my god, I feel horrible. Don't tell PETA. Who killed it? I just want to know who the fuck killed it.
Who? Which one is? Obviously not Tiki. We can rule Tiki the fuck out.